So people ask me, why don't you go to a tabletop sale or a car boot sale? Well, in Canada we don't have car boot sales, so we have to go to garage sales. And this is a video of a few garage sales and a couple of things I picked up over the weekend. This first one was a blowout for me. Nothing there. Then we popped to this second one. I found Miss Piggy and some other dolls, but this one wasn't going to be a blowout. This is this was a better one. I'm using the Fimi Pocket as well while I'm doing this. It's a little camera I picked up just to do things like this. I'm struggling to make it work right. I'm used to just using my phone. So this is something. You see that? That's a snap-on wrench. And he had some snap-on sockets. I've got a full set of sockets, but my snap-on wrench it's not very well at the moment. It's sticking a little bit. There's a mini one as well there, but I do have a mini one. This is a 3/8. Is it a 3/8?
How much you want for that?
I'm not sure. I'll have to ask my dad.
She's got to ask her husband how much that is. These are well over $100. And they do have a lifetime guarantee, but I just can't find a snap-on guy near me in Canada.
3/4 inch. Mine's busted and I can't be arsed finding a snap-on guy.
Oh, $4.
Yeah, it's cool, right? They have a life guarantee.
Yeah, they do.
But I don't have a garage anymore. I used to have a bike shop, motorbike shop, and I just can't find. Never bumped into a snap-on guy. Yeah, $4 is better than driving around all week. What are these ones? Are these? They're just,
These ones aren't snap-on. These ones are all
generic.
snap-on. These are all snap-on. These ones.
Yeah, I've got some snap-ons. I don't think they go as big as that though. That one's pretty big. 25 is a good price for them. Yeah, I've got some good ones. Got $4. Do you have some change?
I do.
Oh.
This one?
Not that I want to use it. I don't want to be using it. But
good to have, though.
when I do,
Yeah.
I'd like to. There you go. That's cool. What is that?
This the plane?
No, the box. What's the box for?
Oh,
Is that
that's just a paper towel holder.
from an airplane, or
No.
is it just your stick?
I used to work for Air Canada.
Oh,
so,
did you?
So I just put the sticker on there, yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah.
Anyway, we got chatting there about aeroplanes for a while, and then moved on to the next one, which was just next door to him. We came across this
Bluetooth thing, surround sound.
speaker from JVC, but I was unsure what it was. I told the guy I was looking for vintage electronics, and yeah, he had a few things inside, he said.
Depends
like
on
a lot of higher end stuff.
Yeah, if it's expensive, I'm not.
No, I wouldn't like. Yeah, I'm just selling it for somebody, so I'm trying to kind of get like anything out of it. So if it was something where you're like, oh, I can resell this and make some money.
Actually, it's for me.
Oh, it's for you.
Yeah.
What are you looking for, like?
Probably at the moment an amp
Oh shoot, I sold
and
two
and a decent CD player,
Okay.
but it has to be silver fronted and probably 80s.
Silver on the front.
Yeah.
Did you say?
We got we're just looking in the junk here. We got a
Oh,
junk
we've
here.
got drum kit down in the basement.
And this isn't even junk mainly. This is stuff I use. Just like
No, we've
Yeah.
got one in our
taking it.
basement.
Oh, drums?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, drums.
Actually,
I thought you said junk. Sorry.
No,
I'm like,
no,
yeah.
I have an Alesis in the.
I got the Strike Pro in behind. This one I bought recently. I like it better because you can hit the rims for different sounds. I got a TDK in there.
Play.
Yeah.
Who plays guitar?
I think mine's a DM.
That's somebody else who plays guitar.
I think mine's a DM5. I like your little Defender's half stack. That's cool.
Yeah.
I have a Marshall half stack.
We used to jam in here, so
Did
buddy
you?
I bought it off him. So
He
he
does
could
it in the
use
basement. He has 4 guys
Basement's
coming
better
out.
because then you got the AC and the summer
Yeah.
and it's warmer.
Ooh, yeah.
This is harder and when it's
Yeah,
really
you
hot or
Yeah,
cold.
we just did a concert in
Yeah.
Canada Day.
Nice.
Did acoustic Tragically Hitman.
Oh, nice.
Oh, they're learning.
Yeah, we're called
Work in progress.
Oh, nice.
So he went off inside to have a look for some amp stuff and cassette players and whatever he had. He didn't really have a lot, but he did have something that we're interested in.
They help a lot.
Yeah, we didn't have it when I was first learning.
What kind of, does the amp have to be silver as well?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
If you have 5 minutes, I'll just look and see. Like, I got a bunch
He
of
was
stuff
asking about the little camera
Yeah.
and YouTube and that, which is cool.
I don't know if I have silver, but I'll check.
But he had an awesome drum kit set up at the back of the garage here. He used to play in a band in the garage, and that's a Fender half stack at the back with four
That's a nice drum kit.
with 4 speakers.
That is nice. At least it's-
How much you want to pay?
He's going to buy it for me.
$1.
Done.
Have you got? There's another one in that box. Is that
I
one?
don't need one.
No, but it's a better one, actually. If you don't mind. Oh, same shame it's not
Oh,
so.
done on you. Yeah, it's got to be silver, really.
That's a nice receiver though.
I'll wash it anyway.
Yeah, you should wash these, but.
Oh yeah, I'll have one of them. You don't want
What do
one.
you want?
I'll have that one. I'll give it a wash.
Thank
Cheers.
Cheers.
Yeah, that's cool. Done on.
Yeah, so like a buddy of mine who was a DJ and stuff, he doesn't want, he moved houses and he brings me all this stuff and now I've got it stuck at my house.
All right.
I'll put it out and see.
Yeah, someone will have it.
I'm sure somebody will buy that if it's like $20-$30.
Yep.
It's a nice little receiver that.
One again yesterday.
5 in a row at least.
6 in a row.
Is it 6 now?
Yeah, 6 in a row.
Cheers, buddy.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
What are you at? Try your hat on.
Oops. So there you go. Couple of yard sales.
Got my Blue Jays at now.